Well, hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna learn how to create a view like TikTok. Right? We can swipe through the layouts vertically. So we're gonna implement this with the use of view pager 2. Right? So let's go to our main activity XML file and create view pager 2. I'll give width as match parent and height as match parent as well, right? So to do this, first of all, you'll need to import this library of material layout, right? How you can do that? You can go to the structure in dependency, and in app level dependency, click on plus and library dependency and just write material, and you'll find the first library for this purpose, right? So I'm not gonna do this. You'll find it. Let me close it now, as I have already imported it. So back here, I'm gonna give id as view pager, and I'll have to give constraint as well. So click on this button, give horizontal in parent and vertical in parent constraint, right? So that's it. Now go to main activity.java file and take a variable of view pager 2, not view pager 1. Why I'm not using view pager 1? There is view pager 1, but it's going to be deprecated very soon in future, so it's better to use view pager 2 already, right? And it's very easy to use it rather than view pager 1. So private view pager 2 vp, and I'm also gonna take array list of type string, and I'm gonna name it list. So let's initialize both of these. vp equals to find view by id, r.id dot view pager, and list equals to array list of type actually we don't need to do this as well. That's it. Array list. Oh wait, I forgot new here. New array list, right? Now we're gonna add some values in this list. So list dot add, first will be gray developers, and I'm gonna paste it a few times, and instead of this, let's write Android, Firebase, and what else we can write? PHP, of course. Right, now we'll need an adapter just like recycler view adapter. So let's create the adapter first. Create a new class and we'll name it view pager adapter, and it will extend obviously recycler view dot adapter view pager adapter dot view holder. It will be just like a recycler view adapter, right? So implement methods and create a class of view holder and let it extend recycler view dot view holder and create a constructor inside it, right? So now we're gonna take a variable of that adapter, object of that adapter. We want to be a variable, right? So view pager equals to new view pager adapter, and we're gonna pass this list inside it, right? So now we have to create a constructor here. So let's take a variable, a global variable, private array list of type string list, and inside constructor this dot list equals to list. Now return 0, instead return 0, we'll write list dot size, obviously and we have to make a view. So let's create a view. For that, let's create a resource file. I'm gonna name it item, and for the sake of change, I'm gonna give a background here. Background primary, no, not this, is too dark. Let's create a custom color, right? And let's take a text view to show the text from our list. Width and height both will be wrap content. Text, let me give a sample text. Text size will be 30 sp. Text style will be bold, and text color will be primary, color primary, right? And of course id tv underscore item, text view item, right? Now click on this view on sample and click on this button. Give horizontally in parent and horizontally in vertically in parent. So we have given a constraint here, right? So go back to view pager adapter and let's create a view here. View equals to layout inflator dot from parent dot context get context dot inflate r dot layout dot item. As a second parameter, give parent, and as a third, I don't want to attach it to root, so false. And as a return, you call new view holder, an object of view holder class, and you pass view in it, right? So now let's take a text view variable here, tv, and we have to initialize it. Tv equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot tv item. Now to show that, holder dot tv dot set text, and we'll take value from list dot get and position, right? So that's it for this class. Now we have to just pass this adapter to our view pager dot set adapter, and we'll pass it view pager adapter. So that's it, that's all what you need. But now to swipe horizontally, you need to add one more line. So view pager dot set orientation, and we'll pass view pager 2 dot orientation vertical, right? And I'm gonna write a little comment here to swipe vertically. So let's run our application and see if it is working or not. Alright, now as you can see, our app is running perfectly, and if it will reach at the end, it won't swipe further, right? So this is how you create a TikTok like swipeable view, and it's also used in Instagram Reels as well, right? And to swipe it horizontally, you just need to you can change here orientation horizontal, or you can delete this altogether and you can run the application. If you don't give any orientation, it will set horizontal orientation by default, so you don't need to give any set orientation method if you want your application view to scroll horizontally, right? And you can also write set orientation method and give view pager 2 dot horizontal orientation horizontal as well. So now if we see our application, we are able to swipe horizontally as well, right? And when it's reaching at the end view, it won't go further, right? So this is how you create a swipeable view with view pager 2. It's used in Instagram Reels and TikTok, which is a famous examples. There might be more, but these two are very famous. So this is how you create them. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.